Good morning, Super Secret Bricks here to review all the LEGO Atlantis sets. Today we're having a look at the set 8057 Wreck Raider, released in 2010 during the first wave. It has 55 parts and 2 characters. This version of the Captain Ace Speedman character appears in 4 sets. 8075 Neptune Carrier, 8077 Atlantis Exploration HQ, and this one. Here's the serious face, and here's the troubled face. It is worth noting that in the LEGO Atlantis movie, Captain Ace Speedman actually doesn't need an eye patch. All the Atlantis crew share the same outfits. In the first and second wave, with a dark bluish-grey helmet, trans bright green visor, lime flippers, and dark bluish-grey torso and legs with diving patterns. The Shark Warrior character appears in 2 other sets. 8060 Typhoon Turbo Sub, 8078 Portal of Atlantis. Its head is made of soft rubber, has Atlantean patterns on it, and there's a pole bar connection in the mouth. One of the accessories included is the pearl gold Trident, which is made with a soft plastic. There are 2 mold variations for these parts, one with a circle at the base of the sprongs, and this one, which is only thought to come in early Atlantis sets. The Atlantis Key included in this set is the blue squid key, which is also included in 2 other sets. 8061 Gateway of the Squid, 8078 Portal of Atlantis. The Wreck Raider is built around a dark bluish-grey 3x6x2 cylinder with hollow center, which was first introduced for the Star Wars theme back in 1999. At the back, it features a minimalist mix of brick and Technic elements for the propellers. There are 2 flick-fire harpoons at the front with some lime green accents. The stickers mostly give a sense of motion with bubbles coming out of some holes, but they also slap the set reference on the sides. Finally, there are 2 dark bluish-grey trapezoid flags used as fins that can be adjusted. It is worth noting that in the LEGO Atlantis movie, the Wreck Raider is built by Lance Spears, but is immediately claimed by Captain Ace Speedman. The manual shows 22 building steps. We can then see all the first wave's sets, excluding the 2 smallest ones. They are then followed by a page showing all the characters and in which sets to get them. In my opinion, this is a great small set, which offers some good characters, conflict, as well as a prized Atlantis key. Though, perhaps a red shark key would have been better. I'm not 100% sold on the flick-fire technology though. In this specific case, this is made even worse by the loose connection between the harpoon part and the lime green cylinder. But I still think this is a great entry point into the LEGO Atlantis theme, especially with the first taste of Technic and brick building mix and the elegant red, grey, lime green and black color scheme. My favorite part is the curved design of the front. How about you? Let me know your opinion in the comments. That's it for the review. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like if you did. I release new content every Wednesdays and sometimes on Saturdays. So click the subscribe button if you want to get notified. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.